Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store, but as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to hit the App Store, this blue button in the middle of my home screen, and then from there go down to the bottom right, the search page, and then up at the top, start typing in ChatGPT and then press search. That's going to give you a bunch of listings right here, but scroll down to ChatGPT, this first organic link right here, and then on the right hand side there's a button that says GET, the Get button. Press that, and then it's going to ask us to confirm our Face ID by double clicking the button on the right hand side of the device. Once Face ID has been confirmed, it will start downloading all the files and installing the app on your device. Okay guys, the app has been installed on this iPhone device. From there, within the App Store, it gives us the option to actually open the app. So let's open it, and that is going to basically say update your iOS to get the best version of ChatGPT. I'm going to do that later. And here we go guys, ChatGPT has been fully launched. It's successfully downloaded and installed on this device. And we can see, we can basically go to the bottom right here. There's on the bottom left, there's a sign up or login function, and you can continue with Apple, Google, email, or just log in from there. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.